Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Allison.
And we're going to be singing I Love You, Chewy.
And this is our dog, Chewy.
My dog, Princess, is at home. Well, she's my dog. But this is Chewy. Okay, let's sing. La 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 la. Yeah. Hey, Chewy, you're always adored. Then I never moved next door. And she has a dog named Princess Grace. Now I see you hanging out with the new dog next door, looking like a pair of dogs, odds. Remember all the pets I took you to? Now you're taking her to go poo. Remember all the pets I took you to? You got me like this. Now you're taking her to every yard in the park. Everywhere I took you, come on. Now you're taking her to every yard in the park. You got me like this. Chewy, you can bark anything you want. I don't give a no one else can have you. Love you, I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. Ooh, I thought you'd still be mine when I left to go play. Ooh, you may love Princess, but you were on my cake, so you're staying.
I love you, Chewy. I love you, Chewy. I love you, Chewy. I love you, Chewy.
Does this sound like a princess fart? I mean, Chewy fart.
No, that's a princess fart.
What?
Whatever.